Bradley Smoker BS611 Original 4-Rack Stainless Smoker. If you're in the market for a reliable electric smoker that's perfect for camps and cabins, look no further than the Bradley Smoker BS611 Original 4-Rack Stainless Smoker. This smoker offers a smaller, lower wattage option that is easy to use and provides a hands-off smoking experience. One of the standout features of this smoker is the automatic bisquette feeder, which delivers a steady stream of flavorful biscuits every 20 minutes. This means you can set it and forget it, allowing you to spend more time enjoying the great outdoors with your friends and family. The generous cooking space, spread over 4 different grates, provides ample room to cook for a crowd, making it ideal for hosting gatherings in remote locations. The insulated double-wall construction of the Bradley Smoker BS611 makes it incredibly efficient when filled with biscuits, allowing you to enjoy up to 9 hours of continuous smoke before needing to refill. This means less time spent tending to the smoker and more time socializing with your guests, a huge plus for busy hosts. What I love most about this smoker is its compact size and portability, making it perfect for taking on camping trips or setting up at a cabin. The only downside is that the cooking area may be a bit small for larger groups, but the efficiency and convenience of this smoker far outweigh this minor inconvenience. In conclusion, the Bradley Smoker BS611 Original 4-Rack Stainless Smoker is the best electric smoker for camps and cabins, offering a convenient and flavorful smoking experience that will impress your guests every time. Check it out for yourself and take your outdoor cooking to the next level.